Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the golden rules for trading. Trading is not a certainty, it's a probability. Today, English language. Beginner to intermediate course will be conducted in our channel. First 1 to 10 topic is already covered in our channel. Today we will be discussing the market open sentiment analysis because market psychology. Okay. Okay, first one, this is an simple example for you. You just like for one apartment. Okay. This is the underground area. This is the first floor. The entire CPR is a second floor. This is the third floor. This is the terrace area. The third floor is a previous day high. Okay. First floor is a previous day low. Just assumption. Okay. Second floor is a CPR. So market daily open between this range only because this line to this line, right? Sometime gap up or gap down open. So not for all the time. Sometime only gap up and gap down. So what do you think about for a market open sentiment? The first candle in case open above the third floor. See here, okay. Touch and close above the third floor. You can buy here. Your stop loss is below because the terrace area it will be working for a full and full buyer control. Note the point. Terrace area is full and full controlled by the buyer's area. Then it's a opposite for a underground area. The PDL is any one candle is close below this line, full and full controlled by the sellers. That's all. This is the common thing. The terrace area is a buyer's area, underground is a seller's area. Okay. The market between open this area, you can expect to the day is touched to the previous day high. In case below in the CPR, the day is touched to the previous day low. Okay. This is the second thing. First thing is a terrace area, it's a bullish, underground is a bearish. Then the CPR above is going to the PDH, CPR below is going to the PDL. Okay. Then another one. The CPR and PDH between the open in the market. What do you think about it? Once here or here it will be come. But where it's your trade for a plan? Only CPR or previous day high. Okay. So don't trade in between the range. Your entry only for a previous day high or between the CPR. Then same for a previous day low to CPR. This day is open for the market. It go up to the CPR or previous day low. Your entry only for this place or this place. Don't do this place because market does not any momentum in this area. In case it will be come and reverse for a CPR or come on previous day low, then reverse it. That's all. Are you understand clearly? This is the bullish momentum for a terrace area. This is a bearish for a underground area. The previous day low it can be open. It will be touched to the CPR or below the previous day high. It will be touched the CPR. That's all. This is the opening market sentiment. Okay. Then sometime gap up or gap down in the market. In case open here, what do you think about it? Just leave that day. Don't trade it. Okay. For initial time, because this is the beginners to intermediate, you can don't do for any trade in this range. Then same for a gap up. You don't trade in this zone. Okay. That's all. Okay. Today we discuss about the two entry techniques for the opening balance. Sorry, open sentiment market analysis based on. Market open sentiment. Market open sentiment is a first candle opening place at 9:15 a.m. Every day market open for a 9:15 a.m. Some of market opening strategies. First one is open above PDH. Open above PDH means third floor broken, right? Open above PDH. Inside CPR or narrow CPR days, it's a high probability trade setup. That's all. So I mentioned here for a inside CPR or narrow CPR days. Second one is a open below PDL, inside CPR or narrow CPR days. Will we see the example, then you will be understand clearly. First one is a above PDH for a first candle. See, this is the PDH line, CPR, PDL. First floor, second floor, third floor, terrace area. This is the terrace area, right? Because bullish buyers are controlled for this area. Below the PDL, sellers controlled area. That's all. First candle here broke on the previous day high. So what do you think? Second candle you can buy here. Your stop loss below the previous day high. Your target is a 1:2. That's all. This is the one strategy. You can use it, but every day not for suitable. Only for a high probability trade setup only you will take it now, because the narrow CPR and inside CPR value, it's a working very well. Then second one is a below PDL first candle. This is the PDH, this is the PDL line, this is the CPR. The candle, first candle is broken the PDL, previous day low. Second candle you can enter here. Your stop loss above the stop loss. It's a candle wick. You can sell here. Your stop loss above this candle. Just 1:2 here. Right? This is the second strategy. This is working for a narrow CPR days and inside value CPR. It's a high probability trade setup. This is working very well in the live market. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thank you to all. Next video, it will be a basic pattern. Okay. Thank you. Thank you to all.